I was driving my Tesla Model Y Performance the other day, holding my kids in the back when my son decided to chuck his aluminum water bottle directly at the screen and causing this crack directly in the corner of it. But it's not as bad as you might think. Because in my case, I got myself ready for the situation a long time ago. And no, it's not setting up a fund for a boarding school for my son. And it's also not getting a brand new screen from Tesla, which is about $1,500. What I did is something that every Tesla owner should consider doing. And that solution is a good old screen protector. My screen here has a screen protector. It's actually this screen protector that I just repurchased again to replace this one that hopefully took all of the damage and there's no crack on the screen. So this video will test to see if the screen protector really protects the screen, or will there be damage to the actual screen underneath this screen protector. So let's get to it. Before starting to remove the screen protector and installing the new one, let's put the screen in a screen cleaning mode. So you go to the menu here, hit display and hit screen clean mode, and this puts everything with this black background. Now let's remove this screen protector. Let's grab the corner. Oh yeah, you see it? Super easy to remove. And let's see, this is the moment of truth to see if there's any damage under the screen. And lo and behold, check this out. I don't see any cracks. Nope, there's nothing, no damage on the actual screen. And all the damage is here within the actual screen protector. So this screen protector just paid for itself. A couple of dollars for this protector versus $1,500 to have your screen replaced at the dealer. I say this is totally worth it. So let's install it. This kit is awesome because it's like a big book, because it's the size of this. It comes with the actual screen protector. It's easy to apply. It also comes with an instruction manual and all the tools needed to get this installed. All the cleaning wipes and stuff. Very similar to applying a screen protector onto your cell phone. First thing we're going to do is we're going to wipe it with a wet wipe. Only because the inner screen is fine, but the outer edges could potentially use some cleaning. So let's use it, and it smells like alcohol, so it probably is alcohol. We're not gonna go too crazy on the alcohol. Then it comes with this microfiber towel. We'll wipe it. So you want to get all the lint off the screen. Again, similar to any cell phone that's out there. If you happen to see any dust on the screen, there's this other sticker here, which is essentially a dust remover. You kind of just, so you're gonna glide it, and it should technically remove all the dust. Actually, yeah, there's dust right there. Next, we're going to remove the actual screen protector, and it is so brainless to do because, check this out. It comes in this pouch. It has a protector in the back. It also has a marking here of where the top is. And I just noticed there's a speck of dust that landed. Oh yeah. You ready for this? As simple as this. Apply it over the screen. See this? Then pull this out. How amazing is that? Then you take your squeegee and you go from the middle, and then to the outside. It will heal itself. It's slowly spreading. All the air bubbles are slowly coming out. Then you remove this thing. Super cool. All the air bubbles are gone, and then you can use this squeegee to help yourself out. But just like that, you were able to fix your cracked screen for a fraction of what it would cost you to have the screen replaced by the dealer. So if you're looking for this, I'm going to link it down in the description. this video, I hope, demonstrated the fact that the screen protector works. It works amazingly, and now I'm good for many, many years to come. The kids are a little bigger now, so hopefully the lesson from a couple of months ago will stick, and they'll know not to throw any aluminum bottles at the screen. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. I'll answer every single one of them. Thank you very much for watching. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye-bye.